How to draw Littlefoot from the land before time, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a C line in the top center of the page. This will be the cheekbone of Littlefoot. Next, attached to the top section of this C line, we're going to draw a circle for the outline of the eye. On the inside of the circle that we just drew, we're going to draw another circle for the outline of the pupil. Now, on the inside of the shape that we just drew together, let's go ahead and draw the pupil. We can begin by drawing a small circle and filling around the outside of it completely black. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to, that way you'll never fall too far behind. Fantastic! Now on the very top of our eye, we're going to draw 3 small eyelashes by drawing 3 simple curved lines that will be pointing upwards. Directly above the 3 eyelashes that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw an upside down curved line. For the next step, we're going to want to move a little below and to the left. From here, we're going to draw the front of the face, which will also be the mouth and the nose. We can start off by drawing a backwards L, long curvy line that will connect to what we previously drew together on the right hand side of the page. I'm going to draw a curvy line from the top left point that will go all the way over to the right side where we first drew that C line. Nicely done. Now let's go ahead and connect the top left point to the curved line right above the eye. Great job! So far this is coming along very well. Now let's go ahead and draw the bottom mouth, which will appear to be open. We're going to connect this to the bottom line that we previously drew together. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Well done! Now we have the outline of the mouth drawn. For the next step, let's go ahead and draw the ear by using a simple curved line on the top left hand side of the head. So as of right now, we have the main portion of the head drawn, however we still have to draw the neck along with the right side of the head. Let's go ahead and draw this right now together. I'm going to add in a curvy line going down to help separate the colors of Littlefoot. I'm going to add in one more additional line on the right side, right below the ear, to help separate the colors even more. Fantastic! Now all that's left is to add in some simple detail like the nostrils and a couple small lines on the mouth. Keep in mind that you can add in any detail that you would like. Awesome, we're almost done. I'm just going to go ahead and add in a few more simple lines right above the mouth. This is how to draw Littlefoots from the land before time. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. And keep in mind that if you're not yet subscribed, then be sure to subscribe to see more videos just like this. Great job today, thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.